Hello, today I'm making roast potatoes. Here is all you need to know to make them deliciously crispy. It starts with choosing the correct type of potatoes. Pick a floury variety. Those have more starch and will crisp up better. Peel the potatoes and cut the larger ones in half so that the pieces are roughly the same size. Boil enough water to cover the potatoes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda for every liter of water. This draws the starch to the surface of the potato, maximizing how crispy it can get. Also add about a tablespoon of salt for every liter of water. Once it's boiling, put the potatoes inside. Check how soft they are after 10 or 15 minutes. Cook them until they are quite soft and almost starting to fall apart, but still hold together. This will also increase the crispiness factor. Once cooked, drain them and salt generously. Add black pepper and 2 tablespoons of olive oil per kilogram of potatoes. Shake them around in a bowl to create more starchy bits on the surface. These bits will become the crispy outer layer of the potatoes. Arrange them on a baking tray, leaving a little space between the individual pieces. Roast them in the oven at 210 degrees Celsius or 410 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. In the meantime, get a few rosemary sprigs and wash them under hot water to release their fragrance. Then mix it with a couple tablespoons of olive oil and red wine vinegar. After the 45 minutes of roasting, remove the potatoes from the oven. Flip them around and crush them carefully with a spatula or a potato masher. This increases the surface area on the tray, which further maximizes the crispiness of the potatoes. Sprinkle the rosemary liquid evenly on the potatoes and decorate with the herbs. Place the tray back in the oven and continue roasting for around 20 minutes or until they look golden enough. There you go, delicious and crispy roast potatoes. Let me know which other recipes you'd like to see next, and thanks for watching!